In the night sky, the moon seems rather small, but in reality, it really isn't. So, how big is the moon? The Earth is approximately 12,800 kilometers in diameter. Our moon's diameter is 3,500 kilometers, more than a quarter of Earth. Specifically, it's 27% in diameter. Put another way, Earth is about 4 times wider than the moon. The diameter of the moon is nearly the width of the United States. Earth's moon is the 5th largest moon in all of the solar system. Our moon is bigger than the dwarf planet Pluto. And Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system, is not much larger than our moon. How far is the moon? The moon's orbit around Earth isn't a perfect circle, but rather an ellipse. The point on the orbit closest to Earth is called perigee. At perigee, the moon is approximately 363,104 kilometers from Earth. When the moon is at its farthest distance from Earth, known as apogee, it is about 405,696 kilometers from our planet. The average distance between the Earth and the moon is 384,400 kilometers. That means 30 Earth-sized planets could fit in between Earth and the moon. How long does it take to get to the moon? On average, if you walked at 6 kilometers per hour, it could take about 7 years. Or if you could drive in a straight line at 160 kilometers per hour, it could take you around 100 days to get to the moon. On a plane which flies at 1,000 kilometers per hour, it could take you more than 2 weeks to get there. The average time for a moon mission is about 3 days. But this varies depending on route, propulsion system, mission profile, among others. Crewed missions tend to take longer to get to the moon. The fastest Apollo mission took 69 hours and 8 minutes to reach the moon. Why are the sun and the moon the same size in the sky? The Sun diameter is 1,390,000 kilometers, which is approximately 400 times wider than the Moon. Given these numbers, you would assume that the Sun would appear enormous in comparison with the Moon. So, why doesn't it? That's because the Sun also happens to be 400 times farther away from Earth than the Moon. This much of size difference and distance is the reason that the Sun and the Moon appear to be the same size from Earth. It is also the reason that we are able to observe amazing celestial events such as a solar eclipse. For further information on this topic, go to cerebralia.com/en. You'll find a link in the description box. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.